Hello, my lovely girls of grade 3. Now I have so many ideas about the project, so I will give you so many ideas for the project. If you didn't do it, please do it. So the first one is for lesson 8.2 algebra addition patterns. This table that we have shaded three consecutive numbers 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. This is the meaning of consecutive, that they are after each other. So you can write them and see 2, 3, 4. You add the first number plus the third number, and the answer will be double the number in the middle. So 2 plus 4 equal 6. 6 is double 3. 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 8 equal 14. 14 is double 7, and so on. So you can write all these numbers and also draw this table and explain for us like, hello, my name is Jawhara, my name is Shahad, my name is Yasmina, and I'm going to explain for you today the addition table. Here I have the addition table. How can I write it? You do it like that, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 until 9. Then in the other one, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are doubling the numbers also until we finish. Here we have this table. You can write it. It's the same table, and shade 6, 7, 8 and write, explain for us. When I shade any three sums next to each other in the table and the first and third sums, the total of these sums is double the second sum. The total of 6 plus 8 is double the third, is double the second sum, which is 7. And also here it is the same. So this is a way you can do your project. And today also we have taken lesson 12.1. Lesson 12.1 is about fraction, and I will give you so many ways to write the fractions. So fun, and it will be so colorful, so you will love it. So let's see another way to do our project. We can color and explain the fractions. Color fraction strips with labels. Color fraction strips with labels like this. This is the first strip. You can draw this and say this is 1. As I said in the session, you can say like that. You can say this is 1. I don't know what was this color. This is a whole 1. You can write like that. This is a whole 1, and you can write this is half. When I have a whole and cut it into 1, so if I have a whole, cut it into 2 parts, so it is 1 out of 2, it's half. So you can write it's half, which is, what is a half? It is 1 out of 2. Then you can write that this is third, 1 out of 3. This is third, 1 out of 3. You can write this is fourth, 1 out of 4, and so on until this is fifth, 1 out of 5. This is sixth, 1 out of 6. This is seventh, 1 out of 7. This is eighth, 1 out of 8. And you explain that this is half because I have a whole part and separate it into 2. Then third, that I have the whole part separated into 3. This is fourth, that's the whole part separated into 4th. And let's take another way. I will show it to you now. Okay, just a second. My lovely girls, this is also a way to explain fractions. You can draw it and it's so fun, and you can draw it, color it with so many colors and show it to us as your project. You will say that this is a whole circle. When we cut it into 2, it is half. When we cut it into 3 parts, it is third, 1 over 3. If you cut it into 4 parts, it is fourth, 1 over 4. If you cut it into 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is 5 parts, 1 out of 5. When we cut it into 6, it is 6 parts, 1 out of 6. When we cut it into 7, it is 7th part, 1 out of 7. When we cut it into 8, it is 8th part, 1 out of 8.